My name is Nur Shaza Shahira binti Zulkifli and my metric number is 13DKA19F11 and 62. Introduction of IBS construction industrialized building system can be defined as a construction system which components are manufactured in factory on or off-site, positioned and assembled into structure with minimal additional site work. IBS was also defined as a construction system that is built using prefabricated components. The manufacturing of the components is systematically done using machine, formwork, and other forms of mechanical equipment. The components are manufactured off-site and once completed will be delivered to construction sites for assembly and erection. A green building is a building that in its design, construction, or operation reduces or eliminates negative impacts and can create positive impacts on our climate and natural environment. Green building preserve precious natural resources and improve our quality of life. There are a number of features which can make a building green. These include efficient use of energy, water, and other resources, use of renewable energy such as solar energy, pollution and waste reduction measures, and the enabling of reuse and recycling. Good indoor environmental air quality, use of materials that are non-toxic, ethical, and sustainable, consideration of the environment in design, construction, and operation, consideration of the quality of life of occupants in design, construction, and operation, design that enables adaptation to a changing environment. Any building can be a green building, whether it's a home, an office, a school, a hospital, a community center, or any other type of structure, provided it includes features listed above.
Nama saya Farah Arisha binti Idris. Nombor matrik saya 13 DKA 19F 1137. Foundation, part of a structural system that support and anchor the superstructure of a building and transmit its load directly to the earth. A column is a vertical structural member intended to transfer a compressive load. Columns are typically constructed from materials such as stone, brick, block, concrete, timber, steel, and so on, which have good compressive strength. Industrialized building system is a mechanical building system for construction work. In offsite construction or modular building, typically more than 80% of the construction is complete offsite, and the component part are transported to the site for assembly. A beam is a structural element that primarily resists load applied laterally to the beam axis. A truss is a structure that consists of members organized into connected triangle so that the overall assembly behaves as a single object. Trusses are most commonly used in a bridge, roof, and tower. Trusses consist of triangular units constructed with straight members. IBS core calculation. A. Construction area. The first one is construction area for ground floor. You need to times width and the length. So the total for ground floor is 166.32 meters square. The second one is construction roof area. It was the same like ground floor, 166.32 meters square. So the total construction area is you need to plus the ground floor and the roof area. So the total is 332.64 meters square. For B, we have a structural system.
which is column, beam, floor slab and roof truss. For the column, we use load-bearing block and beam, precast concrete. For the floor slab, precast half slab on first floor, and the last one, roof truss, we use pre-lap metal roof truss.
Next is wall system. First is internal wall. Precast concrete panel. So the total is 25.875 length. For the external wall, a block work system, we got 48.225. And next is other simplified construction solution. For the beam, 60% comply with MS 1064. For the column, wall and slabs, 100 comply to MS 164. And door, 80% comply to MS 164. And window, 50% comply with MS 164. The last one is horizontal repetition of structure is 100%. So ini adalah jadual untuk IBS calculation. Yang pertama ialah element structure, untuk area, IBS factor, coverage and IBS score. Untuk elemen, kami menggunakan precast beam, load bearing brick, precast concrete half slab floor untuk ground floor. And untuk roof area, roof truss using prefab roof truss. Untuk area, untuk precast ni kita orang dapat 166.32 and roof truss pun sama 166.32. So total is 332.64. Untuk IBS factor pula 0.8 dengan 1.0. Yang coverage 166.32 ni ambil daripada area ni, and 332.64 ni pula ambil total daripada area length ni. So dapat total dia 1.0. Untuk IBS score pula 0.5 ni ambil daripada jumlah yang dah bahagi tadi daripada coverage, darab dengan 0.8 iaitu IBS factor, dan darab 50 ni. 50 ni memang IBS factor dia. So total untuk IBS factor pula ialah 45. Untuk part kedua ialah wall system, external walls using precast block work, and internal walls using precast concrete panel. Untuk external, kami dapat 48.23 dengan internal pula 25.88. So jumlah untuk external dengan internal ni 74.1. Untuk IBS factor pula 0.5 untuk external, internal 1.0. Untuk coverage sama macam tadi, ambil total external iaitu 48.23 kena bahagi dengan jumlah total untuk external dengan internal iaitu 74.1 sama dengan internal. Kemudian untuk IBS score, ambil jumlah yang external dan internal tadi, contohnya 0.65 darab dengan 0.5 iaitu IBS factor dan darab 20. Internal pula 0.35 darab 1.0 iaitu IBS factor dan darab 20. Jumlah untuk IBS factor part 2 13.5. So untuk part 3 ada simplified construction solution. 60% size beam follow MS 1064 part 10 2001 iaitu 60%. Untuk IBS score iaitu 2. 80% untuk door sizing iaitu 80%. IBS score dia ialah 4. Yang 100% pula 4 juga. Window 50% comply with MS 2064 ialah 2, and horizontal repetition ialah 6 untuk IBS score. So total untuk part 3 ni ialah 18 setelah dijumlahkan 2 tambah 4 tambah 4 tambah 2 tambah 6. So jumlah dia ialah 18. Kemudian yang terakhir sekali ialah total part 1, 2 dan 3. Tambahkan jumlah 45 tambah 13.5 tambah dengan 76.5.
So for the conclusion is, in a nutshell, IBS should be seen as an innovative improvement in the construction industry. In industrialized construction, this innovation agenda has been promoted worldwide. It is imperative that IBS is seen as an evolution of construction using new and innovative technique rather than a revolution. The classification of IBS should be expanded to cater the scope of volumetric, which is modular and hybrid construction. IBS is not to be seen as a threat to traditional method. Both methods should be able to work in tandem and improve their processes collectively.
The usage of both method construction is important to ensure that the construction industry will obtain the best benefit from both systems. IBS should move up the degree of industrialization from prefabrication to reproduction through innovation. The mass customization concept, which is vital to open building system agenda, can only be achieved through the adoption of automation in the level of industrialization. The more advanced IBS is in the level of industrialization, IBS needs to play more roles and has to be involved in project life cycle.